The ability to start a fire has changed the history of mankind. A fire can protect you, boost confidence in you, and can light up the darkness around you. Besides, with a warm and crackling fire, you can do so many things, including cooking or adding light sources to where you are staying when it's dark. But starting a fire out in the wild or outdoor situations is not an easy process. However, you can successfully start a fire with the help of a fire starting tool. From the available options in the market, we have listed down the 5 best fire starters based on their functionality and practical features. So let's get started.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
With a compact and high-caliber construction and reliability, Zippo EFK Emergency Fire Kit packs enough to start fire in emergency situations and save your day. Its USA-made flint wheel ignition provides reliable sparking in any kind of weather. Also, this flint wheel ignition gives flexibility and control while lighting fire. Its ergonomic design with a textured body provides a comfortable grip on your hand. Besides, its rugged ABS plastic storage container holds the included flint wheel ignition and 5 easy spark tinders. It has an O-ring seal that makes the storage moisture-proof and keeps everything dry. Plus, it floats in water, so this tracker keeps itself dry and ready to use even if it accidentally drops in the water. It weighs at around 1.6 ounces with a molded lanyard hole that allows you to carry it along with you no matter wherever your adventure may take you. Change your firing experience with the Zippo Emergency Fire Kit. It is packed with useful features to save your day when you need it the most. And with an amazingly affordable price tag, you can grab one for around $12. Get yourself introduced with a small and compact Gerber Grylls Survival Series fire starter that is ready to travel with you on all of your outdoor adventures and survival situations. It features a Ferrocerium rod and metal striker to create ferocious spark instantly so that you can ignite fire anywhere. Besides, it provides a longer sparking ability for 8,000 strikes, which delivers high-end performances at outdoor trips. Like other fire starters on our list, this fire starter also works on wet weather. It has optional waterproof storage to keep the tinders dry. Its whistle is beneficial for emergency situations, and with all these features, you can easily get benefits from it when you need it the most. It weighs around 2.6 ounces, easily attaches together, which makes it easy for you to carry it on your pocket. This fire starter also has a lanyard that keeps the rod and striker together, so it will never get lost and you have it at your fingertips. You can take the small and compact Gerber Bear Grylls fire starter with you on all of your outdoor adventures, because you never know when you'll need it the most, and you can easily grab one for around $18. A unique fire starter packed with high-end materials. Exotac Nano Striker XL can quickly light your gas stoves, alcohol stoves, barbecue grills, and anything you need in any situation. This highly capable fire starter tool has a Ferrocerium rod that creates the most prodigious spark for its size, so that you can spark fire on your outdoor trip without any block. This rod works on any wet or dry weather condition, and it will provide more than 3,000 strikes to ignite fire. Therefore, you can use it for a long time without having to worry about its performance. Its long aluminum handle with O-rings keeps moisture from getting inside into the striker along with the rod. You can also change the rods thanks to its replaceable facility that enhances your fire starting experiences. Weighing at around 0.9 ounce, this fire starter has a 550 fire cord lanyard that allows it to hang on your hands or even your backpacks without facing any problem. Spark fires every time more confidently with the Exotac Nano Striker XL, an ideal solution that helps you light fire quickly and effortlessly, and with an amazing price tag you can get one for around $30. Made with traditionally inspired materials, the überleben Zünden Fire Starter is ready to effortlessly fire up your adventures in places where starting a fire can be a great hassle. Forged with high-performing, sound-core Ferrocerium materials, it can create molten spark showers at 5,500 degrees Fahrenheit. Its rods can last up to 12,000 strikes, and it has a handmade hardwood handle that provides a naturally textured grip. This fire starter offers a 6-function multi-tool scraper that works great for both striking and scrapping of any tinder. It offers weatherproof facilities, which means you can easily ignite a fire at any weather condition. All you have to do is wipe the rods and it's ready to use. With 3 different sizes, the trad is weighing at around 1.7 ounces and has a paracord lanyard that makes carrying super easy, so that you can hang on your arms or your backpack without any problem. Effortlessly ignite fire every time with the überleben Zünden, which is an ultimate fire starter that provides the maximum spark to light up your woods. And you can easily grab one of these fire starters at around $18 only. For its versatility and functionality, this super simple BlastMatch fire starter comes at the #1 position in our list. It can be operated with one hand for those with an injured or immobilized arm. It is forged with flint-based material, and this fire starter can generate intensely hot sparks with minimal effort up to 4,000 times, so it can perform well in marine, Arctic, desert, and jungle environments. It is designed for all-weather use, works perfectly in the rain and other adverse weather conditions, and can generate 3 times the heat of the ordinary matches. This is why you can spark fire without any worry even in the rainforest. Its spring-loaded flint bar rotates 360 degrees to help prevent uneven wear. Besides, it weighs around 2.7 ounces. Its compact size lets you easily pack the BlastMatch on every adventure without making your backpack bulky. No matter where you are in the jungle or in outdoor areas, light fire with the UST BlastMatch Fire Starter that offers one-hand operations without any hassle, and you can get one for yourself at around $21. So that was all about the top 5 best fire starters for you. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.